Hello, fourth grade. We're doing lesson 90. We'll start with our mental math G. Choose the more reasonable estimate for a mass of 500 sheets of copy paper, 2 grams or 2 kilograms. Remember, a gram, 1 gram equals about the weight of a dollar bill, and 1 kilogram equals the weight of about a book. And so, which would be a more reasonable answer? 500 sheets of paper, so reasonable would be the answer for this one is 2 kilograms. Let's go to H. Square root of 49 is 7 times 2 equals 14 plus 7 equals 21 divided by 3 equals 7, and 7 times 7 equals 49. So that's our answer for our calculations. And let's check our problem solving. A half-ton pickup can carry a load weighing a half a ton. How many 100-pound sacks of cement can a half a ton carry? A half-ton pickup carry. All right, so we have to remember how much is a ton. A ton equals 2,000 pounds. And we want a half a ton, so half of that would be 1,000 pounds. And we're doing 100-pound sacks, so 1,000 divided by 100 is 10. So 10 sacks. And we could show you that by doing 1,000 divided by 100. 100 can go there, and 0. So 10. All right, let's move on. We're continuing on with our multiplying two-digit numbers. So let's do. There's a college auditorium has 27 rows of seats, 46 seats in each row. So we're going to do 46 times 27. Remember, neatness counts, and we're always starting at our right. 7 times 6 is 42. Carry my 4. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 4, 32. So we'll write that. And we're going to put in our place filler 0. Now we're going to move over to our tens column. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 2. And now we have this other 1 here. We have to make sure that we don't forget which one we're working with. So if you want to cross out this 4 before you put the 1 up there, so you remember we're working with the 1 this time. And that's something that you'll get used to, so maybe you want to cross it out for now to make sure that you don't forget which one you're using, which carrying you're doing. So 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. And then we're going to add these up. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 3 plus 9 is 12. So we got 1,242 people. All right, so yeah, we're really concentrating on we're carrying, and so we need to know which number we're working with. So let's go on to example 2. A golf course has 46 different spectator mounts. Each mount can seat an average of 72 spectators. How many spectators can be on the mount together? And I forgot to write my label. So we're going to go back to here, 46 times 72. All right, remember to be neat. 2 times 6 is 12. Bring down my 2, carry my 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Put in my place filler. 7 times 6 is 42, so put my 2 down there. And I might want to cross out this 1 so I don't forget that we are moving on to the 4. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 4 is 32. Now I'm going to add these up. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Bring down my 3. And 3,312 spectators. Now, if you can do it without crossing out the 1, that is fine. But for now, while we're learning, you might want to consider doing that. Okay, let's move on. to our example 3. Adelio estimated the product of 86 times 74 to be 6,300. Did Adelio make a reasonable estimate? Well, let's take a look. 86, we're going to round 86 to the closest 10, so we're going to round that to 90. And 74, and we would typically round that down to 70. And we have 2 zeros here, 1, 2. 7 times 9 is 63, so 6,300. Did he do a reasonable estimate? Yes, he did it the way we should have. And let's work it out. 86 times 74. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry my 2. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 4 is 34. Put in my place filler. 7 times 6 is 42. I'm going to cross that out just so I don't forget. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 4 is 60. Add these up. 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 0 is 3. And bring down my 6. So is 6,364 close to 6,300? Yes, it is. All right, so let's move on to our practice. 38 times 26. 6 times 8 is 48. Carry my 4. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 4 is 22. Place filler 0. Now I'm moving to my left. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry my 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. And 2 plus 7 is 9. 988. Let's go to B. 49 times 82. 2 times 9 is 18. Carry my 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Place filler 0. Let's go to our tens column. 8 times 9 is 72. I'm going to cross that out so I don't forget. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 7 is 39. Add these up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 plus 1 is 10. And 1 plus 3 is 4,018. 84 times 67. Let's get those numbers looking a little bit neater. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 2 is 58. Place filler. 6 times 7 is 24. Oh, it is a 2. So I better put a 2 there just because, so I don't forget I'm doing that. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 2 is 50. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry my 1. 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 1 is 6. And 5. 5,628. And let's go on to D. 65 times 48. 5 times 8 is 40. Carry my 4. 8 times 6 is 48. Plus 4 is 52. Place filler 0. 4 times 5 is 20. Put up my 2. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 2 is 26. We'll add those up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 6 is 11. And 1 plus 3 is 3,120. E. Maya is renting 21 tables for a reception. The rental charge is $29 per table. Explain how Maya can make a reasonable estimate of the total cost. All right, 21 tables at $29 a table. All right, so let's round. We'll round 21 to 20, and we're going to round 29 to 30. So 20 tables at $30 a piece. And we're going to bring down our 2 zeros. And 3 times 2 is 6, a dollar sign. So our reasonable estimate is $600. All right, and it is lesson 90, so we're doing the evens today. So let's take a look at 8. Tamara knew her trip would take 7 hours. If she left at 9:30 in the morning, around what time would she arrive? All right, so 7 hours. She left at 9:30, which is 9:30 a.m. And let's add 7 hours. So let's just count that. 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30. So the answer for A is 4:30, and don't forget that it would be p.m. All right, so let's go to B. If Tamara traveled 350 miles in 7 hours, then she traveled an average of how many miles per hour? All right, so 350 miles in 7 hours. So let's divide that out. 7 can't go into 3, but it can go into 35 5 times. 7 times 5 is 35. 0, 0, 7 can't go into 0, but we do need to put our 0 up there. So 50. So the answer for B is 50 miles. She can travel 50 miles in an hour. And C, we're going to make a table. Using the answer for part B, show a table. All right, so we're going to make a table here. And we're going to do this. And we need to do, this is our hours. And this is our miles. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And we just said she did 50 miles in an hour. So in 2, 50 plus 50, or 50 times 2 is 100. 5 times 3 is 15 plus a 0. And 5 times 4 is 20 plus a 0. So there's our table for C. All right. And I think we should be good on the rest of your problems. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thank you.